Hello guys, this is Charan HR from ECE department. I am pursuing my BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In this video, I will be discussing about generation of VSB with its advantages and applications in television broadcasting. I hope it will be informative and helpful to all. Before starting this video, please like, share and subscribe. Without further delay, let's get started. Before going to the generation of VSB, we have to know what is VSB modulation. The word VSB stands for vestigial sideband modulation, which is a modulation technique used in television broadcasting to transmit video and audio signal efficiently over the airways. It is the one of the methods used for terrestrial television transmission and has several advantages over other modulation techniques. Now I am starting with generation of VSB. To generate a VSBSC signal, first we have to generate a DSBSC signal and then it passes through a sideband filters as shown in figure. This filter will passes the wanted sidebands as it has along with the part of unwanted sidebands. In the block diagram, it clearly shows that when a message signal M of t is passes through a product modulator along with the local oscillator C of t is given to the product modulator, the DSBSC waveform is produced. When DSBSC waveforms is produced, and again it is filtered with sidebands which produces the VSBSC waveform. The main source required for the generation of VSB is baseband signal. The audio and video signals that need to be transmitted initially are in baseband form, meaning they are in original form as generated or received from source like cameras, microphones, etc. Next is modulation. VSBSC modulation involves the process of superimposing the baseband signal onto the radio frequency carrier wave. The video and audio signals are modulated onto separate carriers, forming sidebands above and below the carrier frequency. Next is vestigial filtering. After modulation, a vestigial filter is applied to the modulated signal. This filter removes a part of one of the sidebands while allowing a small portion of it to remain. This technique helps in reducing the required bandwidth for transmission, making VSBSC as efficient modulation method. Next is transmission. The vestigial sideband modulation signal is then amplified and broadcasted over the air through the antennas to be received by the television receivers. Now I am discussing advantages of VSB in television broadcasting. In that, the first is bandwidth efficiency. VSBSC is a bandwidth efficient modulation technique because it reduces the necessary bandwidth compared to the full sideband modulation. This allows for more channels to be transmitted within the given frequency spectrum to increase the overall capacity of broadcasting system. Next is interference. VSBSC is less susceptible to noise and interference, especially compared to the amplitude modulation or frequency modulation. The vestigial filtering helps to reduce the impact of multipath interference, which occurs when signal reflects off buildings and other obstacles, causing delay version of the signals to arrive at the receiver. Next is coexistence with analog and digital signals. VSBAC is well suited for transitioning from analog to digital television broadcasting. It can be used to transmit both analog and digital signals simultaneously, allowing for smoother transition and backward compatibility with existing analog television sets. Next is compatible with existing receivers. Since VSBAC retains a vestige of one sideband, it is compatible with traditional analog television receivers, making it cost effective to implement without requires a complete replacement of existing television sets. Now I am discussing the applications in television broadcasting. In that I am discussing about over-the-air television broadcasting. VSBSC is commonly used in over-the-air terrestrial television broadcasting, where television signals are transmitted from the broadcasting towers to be received by the antennas on the television sets in homes and others. The primary application of VSBSC in television broadcasting is the broadcaster uses VSBSC modulation to transmit analog or digital television signals to the viewers in home. VSBSC allows for efficient use of the available radio frequency spectrum along with enabling the transmission of multiple channels over the same frequency band. Next is digital TV transmission. VSBC has widely adopted for digital television transmission, especially in the context of ATSC. ATSC stands for Advanced Television System Committee. used in United States, Canada, and other countries. ATSC uses VSB modulation for transmission of digital TV signals over the air. Next is HD TV's transmission. VSB modulation is capable of transmitting high definition television signals, allowing viewers to enjoy a clear and more detailed picture quality compared to the standard definition TVs. Next is digital television. VSB is widely used in digital television broadcasting, allowing for HD, high definition, and SD, standard definition transmission. Next is terrestrial broadcasting. VSB is used in over-the-air broadcasting, enabling viewers to access TV signals using antennas. Next is cable TVs. Nowadays, cable TVs is very popular in our country. VSBC is employed in our cable TV networks, delivering a wide range of channels to the subscribers. At last, I am going to discuss about conclusions. VSBC modulation has been a critical technology in the evolution of television broadcasting. Its bandwidth efficiency, robustness, and compatibility have been paved the way for the transition from analog to digital television. This advancement has been greatly improved the overall viewing experience for audience, offering high quality and content increasing channel options. As the technology continues to evolve, VSBC is likely remain a fundamental aspect of television broadcasting, supports the ongoing growth and development of the industries. This is about the generation of VSBC and the application and advantages of television broadcasting. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.